Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up parental controls in Roblox. And to do this you'll need to click on the three dots inside the launcher. I'm using the Windows 10 version of the game. Head on to the settings, enter parental controls. Inside you can add the pin code to your game, and here let's do it. We're gonna go very simple, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click add. Now you need to enter your current password for the account. And add pin again. Now it's set, and each time somebody tries to access some games in the specific age that you pick right here, and it exceeds that age, it will ask for this pin. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.